This video is to show you how to create Woocommerce products. The last video was the categories, and now we're going to move on to the products. You've obviously got to have the categories set up for the products to go into. So on this site, if we go over to products in the left hand menu, all products, you'll see I've been playing around by adding a couple of products here. So let's start off with a brand new one for this one. So up here we've got add new product. And I'm going to call this test. So where it's got product name there, you type in the title of whatever the product's called. Now scroll down the page and you'll see product data. I'm concentrating on simple products with this video, and although the product I'm making for Lois's site is actually a variable product, which I'll explain in another video, we're making the variations with a separate plugin, so it's fine to just use simple product. And here is where you would put your usual price. So let's say £10. You don't need to put the pound sign in, just the figures, full stop and 2 zeros there. Underneath that you'll see product short description. If we go to one of the products that are already there, I'll use the Alice one. The short description is the information you see here. So it's a short description about the product. Don't go putting reams of text in, but just type it in here. You've got the option to use visual or text. I prefer to use text. For the simple reason, with visual, you copy and paste something from, let's say, a Word document, and the formatting can be all over the place. So it's far easier to work in text and use that just like as if you were using Microsoft Word. So you put all your text in. When you've put your text in, then go to visual by highlighting certain things. For instance, here you can create that bold. I'll just pause this for 1 second. Right, so as I was saying, you can then go to video and, for instance, bold that text just with these little icons here. If you press on this one, you'll see you've got extra ones. You won't really need to do those, it's mainly just bold things, maybe italic, which I've done there, as you can see. If you want to put a link to another page or another website, when you hover over these things, you'll see little tooltips come up, so you can see that that one's insert or edit a link. So if we were going to put a link in, you'll see this box comes up. Click on the cog icon, and that's where you put the URL of the new page or the new website that you want to put in. If it's going to be another website, you don't want people going there and not coming back to yours. So that's when you tick open link in a new tab. But if it's a page within your own site, don't bother to do that. Right, okay. Now if you've got a longer description, at the top of the page here you've got product description, where you might want to put a lot more detail, and that's where you do that. I haven't set this site up to display that yet, but that would normally then have another box down here which has got description, additional information, that sort of thing, and that's where that would appear. Right, over here on the right hand side, next, choose which product category it would go in. I'll just put that in earrings for the sake of it. You want a main product image. That's the one that's going to be the prominent displayed image. So set product image, it opens up your media library, or again you can upload a new image from your computer, so just put that one in. Then under that box you'll see we've got add product gallery images. Yeah, so you can put any extra images that you want in there. I wouldn't do more than 3 or 4 unless you really felt they were necessary. So you click add product images, and let's just pick 3 of these, and you'll see they'll be displayed as little thumbnails. I'm just going to publish this test product just so that you can see it on the front. Now we put that in earrings category. So if we go to the front of the page, click on earrings, you'll see the test one is there. When you click on that, you'll see your short description, you'll see the extra product images so that people can click on them, and that's published. And I'm going to delete these because obviously they were just to show how to do it. Okay, and that's all you need for adding a simple product.